want us to bask in this on this nice autumn day. Beautiful autumn day, the first Saturday in November 2024. If you guys don't know when I recorded this or when you're watching it, but as we're standing in front of this car here, this is one of DeLorean's masterpieces. This looks like a 1966 Pontiac Grand Prix, and I want to get a close-up here because this paint job is wonderful. This paint job is awesome, and the motor is a twin-turbo LS concoction. Let's get over here so we can look at this paint. Look at the metallic flake. It's like purple and brown and red and orange. Very beautiful paint job. Blacked out the chrome bezel pieces here. Blacked out the grille. Blacked out a turn signal lamp, the lens. What we have here is says 421 here, but I swear it's got a twin turbo on it. There's a turbo on the passenger side, turbo on your driver's side, and what I'm trying to see here is this looks like a big block. This Pontiac, normally all their blocks were the same. All the differences were internal displacement. So, distributor in the rear, I'm thinking this is a Chevy big block. But the fact with the twin turbos, this really turns me on. It's got the rotary style air conditioning compressor. So, see, all this is a Chevrolet setup right here. You see, that's what makes me think this is a 454, probably been bored out or so, with a fuel injector there. And it's got its mass airflow coming in here. I don't know what that is right there. It looks like let's look at that side. Yeah, it looks like our fuel pressure regulator right there. But then again, there's like another one right there too. Don't know. But there's our computer interface. So we do have electronic fuel injection. So let's take a step back. Let's do a walk around. Blacked out the bumper. Wheels. Yes, sir. See, 1966. Well, very nice wheels. Our interior. The interior looks pretty much stock. It looks like it has been refurbished, but it is stock. You know, the gauges there. I can't see those, but see, they've got inset and the stainless, some sheet metal in there. And if you look on the roof here, but you can't see it, there appears to be some type of graphic design there. Look at that. Look at that roof. See, see, look. You see it in the sunlight? It's like a deck of cards or something like that in the roof. It's got its square subwoofers in the rear deck. Take a look at that roof again, some more sunlight on it. See, it's orange, bounded by cranberry red stripe. And then, when you look at the side of the car here, this is a flame job. It's a flame job right here, see? You can't really see it. I'm trying to show you the best I can here. But there's the red flames here. So
It's almost the color of my caddy.
this is beautiful. Of course, that 421 is not. That's not.
Oh yeah, never was a good person.
Slotted rotors on the rear. You can see some of it right here too. Some of the flame job coming off the roof, off the beat of the C-pillar. You can see some of that. So
You get it in like
it's just it's too. You got to park a car like this in the sunshine in order to see it. So, but anyway, 1966 Pontiac Grand Prix, twin turbo with looks like a Chevy 454 poured out, but it's a beautiful paint job, most awesome.